Going on, guys, let's do this problem right here. The question is asking, is the sequence negative 1 power n 1 over n square increasing, decreasing, or neither? And the second question is asking, is it bounded above, below, or both, below, both, or neither? And the third one is asking, does it converge or diverge? So let's begin with the first one. So the first one is asking whether it is increasing, decreasing, or neither. So to find that one, it's really easy. We just plug the values. So if we plug 1, we start from the 1, right? So if we plug 1, what's going to happen? We will get negative 1 power 1, that's just going to be negative 1. And 1 over 1 square, that's going to be just 1, right? So we will get negative 1. So negative 1 right here. And the next value, if you plug 2, you will get a positive 1, because if you get a even power for a negative value, it's always positive. So here we will get positive 1, and 1 over 2 square, that's going to be 1 over 4. So it goes like this. Then when we have 3, it's going to be negative again. Whenever we have odd power, it's going to be negative, and whenever we have even power, it's going to be positive. So here we will get again negative 1, 1 over 3 square, that's going to be negative 1 over 9. So it's going to go like this, negative, positive, negative, positive. The next value we will get, if we plug 4, we will get 1 over 16, and then negative 1 over 25, and so on, right? So it's going to go like this. So from this one we can determine whether it is increasing or decreasing, because if you look at this one, we have negative value, then positive value, then again negative value. So it means it's increasing, decreasing, then again increasing, decreasing. So it's neither increasing or decreasing. So neither increasing or decreasing. So that's going to be the answer for the first one. So let's look at the second part, B part. They are asking, is it bounded above, below, both, or neither? To find that one, we can draw the graph and see what happens. So as the x, let's say these are y values. So negative 1, we have first negative 1. So it was at 1, right? So this is 1. As it go further, like if it's go, when it's go 2, it's going like this, like when it's go 3, like it goes like this, right? It's reducing and stuff like that. And when it's positive, like when it's 2, we have 1 over 4. So let's say this is 1 over 4. So when it's 2 in the x value, we have 1 over 4. And then as the value increases, the positive value also decreasing and reaching 0. And then so this is going to be the graph. So from this one we can determine whether it is above, below, or both. And if you look at this one, we have below and above, so we have both. So this is going to be both above and below, right? So that's going to be the answer for the second question. So let's look at the third question. They're asking whether it is converge or diverge. Since we have negative right here, we can use the absolute value theorem. So according to absolute value theorem, we can use limit n approaches infinity, absolute value negative 1 power n, 1 over n square, absolute, right? So when we use absolute value, this one will be eliminated because it's going to be always 1, right? So this can be eliminated, and we will only have limit n approaches infinity, 1 over n square. And if you apply infinity for n, that will give us 0, because 1 over infinity, that's going to be 0. So this is going to be 0, therefore this converge, right? So that's going to be the answer for the third question. And that's how we do these kind of questions. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.